Hey there everyone, welcome back in React.js Instagram app video tutorial series. My name is Azhar Salim. In this video tutorial, we are going to create our sign up functionality using Firebase. So let's start. I'm going to let me adjust to see. Come on. Okay. So first step, here we already designed this sign up form. First we need a username, email and password. So here create a hook. First one, const username, set username. Use date, it will be empty. As well, we need here email and password. Email and set email. And at the last, we need here one more thing, user, because whenever we will a user here perform, we can set after performing the functionality or the code of sign in or sign up, the user should be created and his username and the detail we have to store for next usage, like for the posts or the comments, and here should be a logout and create a post button. So for this thing, create one more hook, user, set user. I'm going to pass here null. Let's go to our form and username, email and password. Yeah, here is our sign up form. So first of all, I'm going to pass here a value. The value will be username. This username is a hook which we created here, and definitely we have to pass a value to this user on change. So for that thing, on change, and here set username e.target.value. Same thing with our email and password. Set password, and at the last, sorry, email, my bad, here we have to pass email, and here at the end we have a password. And at the last, the button type, this one is already a submit, and here inside a form we have on submit, and here we have to pass a function, or you can say the method. It will be, let's say, handle sign up. Const handle sign up. I'm going to pass here arrow method or function e.prevent default. To avoid reload or refresh our page, and here I'm going to use the auth which we import this one from our Firebase app, sorry, this file. So here we have to pass auth dot create user with email and password. This username we have to update after create the user. So first of all we have to create a user with email and password. This email, this one, which we could store a value using each on change, and we set the value here in set email, and we catch from email and pass here. Same thing with the password. Then okay, then we have to pass here the auth user, and this auth user we have to return auth user dot user dot update profile. Here whatever you want to update you have to pass here. So in our case we have to update the username at the time of sign up. So here display name, it will be username. That's it. At the end we have to dot catch and error dot message. I'm going to open out error dot message. That's it. So only this code you have to write, these 2 or 3 line, 1 2 3 4 line of codes to sign up, or you can say authentication using our firebase. At the end we have to make our set the username, email and password empty as well. We have to invisible or hide this model. So that thing, set username empty and set email as well, and at the last we have password. This model, it's actually set open, this one set open, it will be empty, sorry, it will be false. That's it. Now I'm going to create a new user or sign up. If I go to Instagram and authentications, here we didn't have any user. I'm inside my application, sign up, and username Azarslim and email. I'm going to use my email, and at the last password, sign up. And if I go to Instagram app, reload, now here we get our user which we create just now. We have here the email and created sign in, and user UID here we have. Okay, perfect. We sign up, and next step, definitely after sign up these buttons should be displayed instead of sign in and sign up. Here should be a logout and create a post button. So for that thing First of all, here we created user and set user, so we have to make a set user. I'm going to create here a use effect hook, but first of all we have to import this use effect. And here I use effect, and it will be fired up at the time whenever our user or username will be fire or change user or username, the user, this one. Okay, here create a const and set user, but we already have a set user. You can write something like set user profile or whatever you want to keep the variable in. Then auth dot on auth state change, and in this state change auth user and here if this auth user is true or available, you can set here. Then what we have to do here, set user, in this one, auth user. If it's available, else make it null. Set user, it will be null. That's it. At the end we have to return. So I'm going to use here the arrow function. It will be, we have to return this function here. That's it. I'm going to save. Okay, perfect. At the last, definitely this button, instead of sign in and sign up, here will be a logout or create a post, because now we are actually signing here. So if I go to here inside the app header, we have sign in and sign up. So here I'm going to use user. For user visible, then what we have to do here, user visible, let's say here is 3, logout, else pass this sign in and sign up. What happened here? Just 1 second. Okay, user, we are already create here the user. Yeah, user, if it's available, then pass hello, not hello, like this. So it's a div, and inside of this div I'm going to pass here s3 logout. Okay, else sign in or sign up button, save. So what happened here? Actually it's everything. Let's see in our demo project. If I go to app.js, there is, yeah, everything is fine, but same. If user available, do this one, else this one. And why it's creating problem? Okay, let's one more time. I'm going to copy from here because I'm sure I'm not making here anything wrong. Okay, one more time try. Otherwise we will copy from there. So user, okay, user available, then h3 here, logout, else h2, let's say here, login. If I save and let's work. What happened that time? Okay, one more time try. Actually this time I'm going to copy from our demo project here. And sign up as well. No, even this time I'm going to not, I will use sign up again. Sign, set open sign in. What is this? Yeah, remove it. Just save. Now perfect, we have a logout. Okay, that's for this video tutorial. In next video tutorial we'll design our logout and make the functionality of logout.